Dear student, most welcome in online class of class 10th student in subject Information Technology. Students, in this video, we want to discuss about the creation of query using design view. Creation of query using design view means how we can create the query, how we can access the information from the given table. Students, suppose you create a table named employee and it has three columns: name, employee ID, name and salary and their values. Clear? And we want to we want to access the information from this table. Students, some RDBMS provide a graphical menus to create queries, but most of RDBMS has no facility for creating a query by using GUI, graphical user interface. The most of RDBMS uses a computer language that is known as the SQL, Structure Query Language. Clear? That is known as the SQL, Structured Query Language. These languages are used to access the information from the table. Clear, student? As you know, there are different types of SQL languages. One is the Oracle, and there is the MySQL Server, OpenOffice DBase, Access. Clear? Students, the queries, the question, what is the meaning of query? Clear? Queries are commands. Queries are commands that are used to define data structure and also manipulate the data in the table. Clear? Queries are the commands. With the help of queries, we can manipulate, we can define the data in the table. There are different types of SQL commands. One is the DDL command and there is the DML command. Students, create, drop, alter, describe. Create, alter, drop, describe. These commands are categorized in DML commands. DDL commands, not DML, DDL, Data Definition Language command. Clear? These commands are grouped in a category that is known as the Data Definition Language. Create command, alter command, drop and describe. With the help of create command, we can able to create a database as well as a table. With the help of alter command, we can modify the structure of existing table. We can add a new column in a table, or we can change the data type of a column in a table. We can also remove a column from the table. With the help of drop command, we can delete the entire table from the database or entire database. Clear? And then the describe command. With the help of this command, we can show, we can describe, we can represent the structure of a table. Clear? Next come DML command. In the DML commands means data manipulation language command. With the help of these commands, we can manipulate, we can change the data value of the table. Students, the first command is here, select command. Select statement or command. Select statement or command. Students, a select statement retrieve 0 or more rows Zeros are more record from one or more table. The select command is used to retrieve zero or more rows from a table or more than one table in a database. Clear? The select is the most commonly used command to retrieve, to manipulate the informations from the table. It is also DML command, clear, data manipulation language command. The select, the insert, the delete, all these are the DML commands. Clear? Students, the select command has many optional clause. The first is the where clause and another is the order by clause. It has many optional clause. Select command has, the clauses are, one is the where clause, another is the order by clause. Order by. Clear? These are the two clause. Where clause, which is used, which is optional clause of the select statement, and another is the order by clause, which is also optional clause of the select statement. The where clause, with the help of where clause, we can retrieve the information from the table. We can retrieve the information from the table according to the certain condition. Clear? Suppose you want to display the name of the employee whose salary is 20,000. This is the condition. In this type of queries, we use the where clause. And students, order by clause is used along with the select statement when we sort the records from the table. We can sort the record either ascending or descending way. Clear? Students, the now question is how we can write the select statement for retrieving information from the table. First, it is necessary to know first the syntax of the select statement. The syntax of the select statement is syntax of select statement. The syntax of the select statement or select command is, we write here select. Clear? Then write the column name. Clear? Column name 1, column name 2. Select column name 1, comma column name 2. Then write the from keyword. Then write the table name. Clear? Table name, and at the last we put the colon sign. This is the syntax, general syntax of the select statement. If we write here, we want to write here where clause, then we will use where condition. Clear? This is the general syntax of the select statement. Here we use where clause. We can also use the order by clause along with the select statement. Dear students, suppose you want to access all the informations, all the field, all the column of the table, then we write the select statement in such way. Clear? Select asterisk from table name. Table name. Clear? This is the syntax of the select statement. And suppose you have a table, the table name is employee, and you want to access all the information of this employee table. Clear? We can write the select statement in this way. select all from imply. Here select all from imply. Here selecting the keyword. Thus this asterisk denote the all fields of the table. From is a keyword and here imply is the name of the table, name of the existing table where you want to retrieve the information. Select all from imply. Students, after writing the query, you execute this query by pressing the F5 key. Clear? Press F5 key. Clear? For executing. If you want to execute the query, then we write the after writing the statement, we press the F5 key for executing. For executing query. Clear? Otherwise, we click on the execute query button from the standard toolbar. Now we want to conclude our lecture and we want to discuss some and the select statement in the subsequent videos. Thanks.